Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Eating Juggernaut, and today I went across the street to a place called Molly's Burgers, and I got a bacon cheeseburger. So it looked really good. Um, so I wanted to go ahead and try it. I haven't had a bacon cheeseburger on here yet, so and like I said, it was just across the street. So, anyways, like I said, bacon cheeseburger, bacon, cheese, tomato, lettuce, Thousand Island dressing. I'm not a big fan of onions or pickles on hamburgers, so I mean I can eat them, but I just don't prefer it. And then it came with fries, of course. Looks like they're seasoned with pepper and maybe some garlic salt or something, some sort of seasoning. So, anyways, let's get right into it because I'm hungry. Oh, and of course, I got Coke. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you my initial thought on the hamburger. Hamburger is really good. It's charbroiled, so that's always a good thing, always a plus. The only thing I would probably say I would change on this hamburger, maybe it's not like that on every burger. I don't know. I've never eaten there before, but all I can tell you is how they prepared my hamburger. The bacon isn't crunchy, so it's not a little bit soft. I prefer the crunchy bacon with the burger. Adds that extra element of of crunch to the burger. So that'd probably be the only thing I would change. The fries are really good. So like I said, the burger itself is actually pretty good. It's just I just wish the bacon was a little bit more crispier. Now they do have other things there aside from burgers. They have like hot dogs, chili cheese dogs. They serve like breakfast there. It's just a little hole in the wall place just right across the street. So, very convenient to where I'm staying right now. And then right next to it is a Starbucks, which I went to earlier. They are quite generous with the fries, I'll tell you that. And the fries are really good. They kind of taste like Del Taco fries. With the added element of seasoning that they put on it. There's another shot of the burger. I wish they would have gave me a few more napkins. I like to have a lot of napkins. So, anyways, guys, let me tell you a little bit about how my day went today. I didn't set my alarm because I didn't have to work today, but I'm an early bird anyways. So I woke up at like 6:45 or something, 7 o'clock without an alarm. Got up. I just turned on the news just to see what was going on. You know, I like to stay, excuse me, as informed as much as possible. Then I, just did my, normal morning routine. Got up, took a shower, brushed my teeth, got dressed, walked over to Starbucks across the street, got a coffee, walked back over here, and then just hung out in the room. Watched a little bit of TV, watched some YouTube videos, just hung out, relaxed, and then about 5:30, which it's about 5:45 or something right now. Went over there, picked this up, walked back, and then started filming for you guys. So it's about it's about 6 o'clock right now. So my day was just pretty much relaxing. So I enjoyed it. Not gonna lie. But it's back to work tomorrow. Small piece of bacon. All right, so now for the $1 million question. Would I eat there again? Yeah. Um, would I try something else? Yeah, I probably would. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt, just saying that probably their bacon is most likely crispy. I probably just got a bad batch, or a batch that's not cooked all the way. Um, so all in all, I give the burger probably about a 7 out of 10. Mm, it's no Five Guys, which, as you guys know, I give that a 10. That's my burger place. But it's definitely not the worst. That's not like a, I don't know. I don't want to offend anybody with their favorite burger place, but let's just say it's better than, I don't know, a Burger King uh, burger, I guess. I'm not too fond of Burger King, that's why I say that. But, you know, I'd give it about a 7 out of 10. But it is convenient to me because it's right across the street. So, anyways, guys, I got a question. Now, a few videos back, I think you have told me what your favorite burger place is, or what places you like a lot. How about you tell me in the comments below what the worst burger you've ever had was, or where it was from, or what food chain, what fast food chain it's from. I would like to know that just out of curiosity. So if you guys want to comment below what the worst hamburger is that you've ever had. Like I said, this one's not the worst, 7 out of 10. But like I said, it's no Five Guys. So just kind of curious to see what you guys would say. But I do remember something. Quick story. A few years ago, I took my brother to SeaWorld for his birthday. Got like a knot in my shoulder or something. But I took my brother to SeaWorld for his birthday when he was like, I don't know, 10 or something. So, like 6 years ago. And I remember, went to a burger place because he likes burgers. And I got him one of those kids meals. Like those kids meals that come like in a plastic lunchbox or whatever, and a hamburger, kids hamburger, fries, and a drink. And I don't even remember if it came with a toy or not. But anyways, geez, the price that I paid, I hope it came with a toy. I don't remember. But anyways, I ended up getting him one of those kids meals, and then I got two regular adult burger meals, just a regular adult burger meal. And then I think I got him something else, maybe like I don't remember, like a small side of something like fruit or something. I don't remember. But anyways, we go up to the cashier, to tally it up or whatever, add it up. And I know it was gonna be expensive, but I didn't know it was gonna be that expensive. She ended up telling him, she's like, okay, I don't remember what the exact price was, but it was around here. She was like, okay, sir, that'll be like 55.50 or something. And I'm like, 55.50? I said, did you ring us up twice? She's like, no, that's I rung you up for the kids meal. I don't remember if it was like $50 roughly, okay, like $50, somewhere around there. But she rang us up for the kids meal, the two meals, the adult meals, whatever side he got, and then I don't know, maybe I got like a side of breadsticks or something. It was, I mean, you know, just a few for 3 people, and it was like $50, and I was like, oh my gosh. I knew it was expensive. I didn't think it was that expensive. So, anyways, I paid it. It was kind of bugging me. I'm like, did I really just pay $50 for 3 people to eat here? And the burger wasn't even that good. I mean, it tasted like a burger from the school cafeteria. It was like it was small. It was the fries weren't even that good. The honestly, excuse me. I gave the burger. I would probably give the burger like a 4 out of 10. So, well, anyways, we still had fun. You know, I didn't let that ruin my day, but I was just caught off guard. Good thing I did bring a little extra money than I thought I was gonna spend, because I was not expecting to spend that for a meal there. But I don't know. I guess that's where they get you, is the food at theme parks. But we have fun. Also, let me know in the comments below if you ever had an experience like that where you were expecting it to be expensive, obviously, because you're at a theme park, but, you know, not that expensive, and you were like, what? Can you repeat that? Did you ring me up twice? Let me know in the comments below if that's ever happened to you. You know, I know there's places out there that are like $8, excuse me, $8 sodas, stuff like that, but, you know, let me know if you had an experience like that too. Alright, so anyways, guys, that concludes the video. My phone is actually dying, so gonna have to wrap it up. I was done anyways. But anyways, that concludes the video. Please like and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber yet, watch a video or two. And if you like the content, go ahead and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. And all you Vicarious eaters out there, stay hungry, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.